Hello there, good evening. Welcome to your GB News weather update from the Met Office. Looking ahead, it's set to be another dry day tomorrow, then a change over the weekend. It's likely we'll see some outbreaks of rain push in from the west. That's all due to low pressure moving its way in from the Atlantic as high pressure slips away off to the east. And as it does so, it does bring in a slight change in our wind direction, more south to southeasterly flow. So we'll see more cloud push into parts of East Anglia, Sussex and Kent. This may produce some showers, also some showers possible across Yorkshire and Lincolnshire. But elsewhere, mostly dry, plenty of clear skies. So it's likely we'll see some mist and fog once again during the morning. Also some isolated rural frost, but most towns and cities remaining in the mid to high single figures. Now, to start the day across Scotland, yes, it will be mostly dry, but it's going to be fairly gusty, particularly around western coasts, a chance of some coastal gales here. So it's unlikely to see any mist or fog during the morning, so mostly bright but breezy start, and fairly similar across Northern Ireland too. But across the rest of England and Wales, once again, it could be fairly chilly, some mist and fog, particularly around any valleys. Not feeling quite as cold though across parts of the southeast, more cloud here. And as we progress through the course of the day, this cloud will spread its way further inland. So it's likely that sunshine will turn more hazy in nature, and once again this cloud could be thick enough to produce the odd isolated shower. But for most it should be another dry day, the best of the brightness across parts of the west, and not feeling quite as warm as it did this afternoon, highs reaching around 16 to 17 degrees Celsius in the southeast. Now, as we head into Saturday, we'll start to see this change. This frontal system pushing in from the west, at times bringing some quite persistent and heavy outbreaks of rain, at first into Northern Ireland and then pushing its way eastwards into western Scotland, western parts of England and Wales, where it could linger through much of the day. But most of the east should be mostly dry and bright, and then it looks like turning brighter as we head into next week. That's it from me. Bye-bye.